Follow the footsteps. Rule number 3, don't expect much. Haha. Almost there. Inhale. Something fishy. Uy. iPhone. Surprise. Wake us up to claim your gift. Ate curse.
Naalala nyo ba ng mga bata pa tayo na ang saya-saya natin kapag nakaka-receive tayo ng regalo? Pero habang nadadagdagan tayo ng taon, nare-realize din natin na isa lamang ang pagtanggap ng regalo sa mga paraan to make us feel loved. Yung iba sa atin, they feel loved kapag naka-receive sila ng words of affirmation. Yung iba naman pag pinagsilbihan. Yung iba kapag naka-receive ng hugs. Or yung iba kapag may quality time with their loved ones. Pero meron talaga sa atin or sa mga loved ones natin na 10 out of 10 ang saya. And they really feel love when they receive gifts. Kaya ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin ay ang love language na
Receiving gifts! Yay!
Hi SP Buddies, this is Shelly and welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the tiny bell button so you won't miss any of my videos. So yung prank na nakita nyo earlier in the introduction video is part of the surprise na inorganize ng sisters ko during my dad's 60th birthday this June. And hindi kami nakaakyat during his birthday celebration because of the quarantine. So my sisters and my brothers and me and my husband thought of a way to surprise our dad during this momentous occasion. At salamat kay Lord, mission accomplished siya. So please do watch until the end because later on, we're going to show his reaction. Okay, ngayon pag-usapan natin ang love language na receiving gifts. Para sa mga taong may ganitong love language, gifts are symbols of love. These gifts are reminders that they are loved, no matter how small the gift is. Now, it does not mean na materialistic sila. What matters to them is the thought and not the cost. Receiving gifts sends them a message na
Naalala kita nung nakita ko to. Lagi kitang naiisip.
and na-appreciate nila yung time and effort mo sa pagbili ng gift. According to an author, Michael Benninger, for them, shopping is more of a treat than a task. Place sila para itago yung mga wrappers at gift bags. Mahilig silang magtago ng gifts kahit inabot na ng 10 years sa pagkatago. And mahilig din silang magbigay ng souvenirs after traveling. And usually, mahilig din talaga silang magbigay ng gifts. Ikaw ba to or your loved one? Hindi talaga ako gift person. Actually, wala to sa top 3 love languages ko. Kaya ito yung isa sa mga bagay na inaaral ko kasi may mga loved ones and friends ako na mahilig sa gifts. Kaya din ba? Kaya nagbasa ko ng mga articles at isi-share ko sa inyo ang mga natutunan ko. Tara, samahan niyo ko. Una daw is to embrace the art of gift giving. And yung pinakaunang technique on how to give meaningful gifts is to observe. So based on our observation, ano ba yung gusto nila? Gusto ba nilang makareceive ng gamit pang bahay? Pampaganda? Or pang-adventure? Then ano ba yung kailangan nila? May nasira ba silang gamit na kailangan palitan? And what gifts will make their lives easier? Match ba yung regalo sa personality niya? Match ba yung regalo sa interest or hobby niya? Siguro kayo ang naiisip nyo, ang gastos naman, wala akong budget. Pero remember, para sa mga taong may ganitong love language, hindi daw natin kailangan gumastos ng malaki and hindi kailangan madalas because they appreciate even the small tokens of affection. So you could give them something that reminds you on your first date or you can give their favorite cookie. Pag galing tayo sa travel or official business, pasalubongs or souvenirs will brighten their day. It gives them a message that we thought about them while we were away. May mga moments na feeling down or discouraged sila, we can give them something. That simple gift or simple something will remind them na karamay natin sila during their down moments. Pag may mga gift-giving occasions, hindi daw natin to dapat ma-miss. Monthsaries, anniversaries, Christmas, Valentine's Day, and yung birthday. Because that day is very personal. And if this receiving gifts is your love language, then reciprocate the love. Look for opportunities on how you could speak the love language of your loved ones. Ayan. So, dako naman tayo sa birthday surprise ng father ko. Ready ka na ba sa reaction niya? Panoorin natin to.
Hello po, nakabili na po kami ng gift namin kay Daddy. Ito po. Ayan. Yan po yung dream phone niya. So, ibibigay po namin kay Daddy yan sa birthday niya this coming Friday. Yay! Tiri ay si Daddy. Tiri ay si Daddy.
Tingnan mo yung mga accessories na.
May pagmotor pa.
Ano ba yan?
Uy. Ano to? Meron na siyang case. Ayos, ah. Thank you.
kami iyak.
Andres.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Talaga?
Alam po.
Talaga?
On mo, baka sira.
Baka prank ito. Baka mamaya biglang sumabog. Saan yung on? Uy, wow. Talaga? Ikaw makapaniwala.
Akala ko na yan. Okay, so thank you guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And if you find this video useful, then don't forget to share it to your friends. See you again next week.
Thanks for watching!